In this video, we'll go through the steps to do a manual read-only access. So make sure you're logged into Amazon Web Services with an administrative account. And then the first step is to search for IAM roles and create a new role. So we're going to search for IAM, find it, click on roles, and click on create role. And then choose the another AWS account, and here you'll need the external ID, which comes from here. Copy that and click on requires external ID, and you need a unique external ID which is unique for you. Leave the require MFA unchecked. Then check for read-only access, and that's narrowed down to 68. Towards the bottom of the list, you'll find read-only access. That's an exact match. Select, click next. For the role name, you can give a name to help you remember what that role was. And my test account, test role, and that's the read-only policy. Click create role, and from the list you should be able to find the role ARN. Copy this unique ID, place that here at the bottom under the manual, and call something. And you should, if it's done right, it should be able to run the scan, and in a few minutes the monthly spend numbers should change.